Today I will tell you how to convert a picture into a PNG so you can use it as a logo. So, first of all we will open Photoshop and then we will select the picture that we want to convert into PNG. So I have selected a picture earlier. So it is a picture of Facebook logo that I will convert into PNG form. So first of all I will drag this picture into Photoshop. Now double click on background picture to convert it into layer. Now you can see this picture. I want only this white color to be PNG for use as a logo. So you have to remove the blue background from the image. First step, go to the eraser tool and hold on it and select background eraser, and now what you have to do is click on the color you want to remove. We want to get rid of blue color, so click on it and boom. It have been deleted. Now same on the remaining part. Here also, zoom and remove it too. Now that's done, you have to go on File, Export, and you can see Quick Export as PNG. You can click on it to click on Save as Web. Now here you can see file format you want. Click in JPEG and change it into PNG 24 and save the file. Whatever name you want to give and select location. Now I will show you the file that I have saved. Double click on this and you can see the image has been opened, and you can't see anything because of I have chosen white color PNG. So I will drag this image into the Photoshop to show you. And here you can see another background color in the image, so I will put black color in it. In here we go, you can see highlighted by the black color. So that's it guys. This is how you an image to a PNG form as a logo for any watermark image. So thank you guys. If this tutorial help you out, click like button on the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Upgrading Tuts. Thank you guys.